Alright guys, good morning. A lot of people are having issues and don't know how to buy Steem in large quantities, most especially with naira, right, with cash. And there are several ways to do this, but if you really want to buy in large quantity, to get it is going to be difficult, right? You have to buy in smaller quantities from different people, and that might take a lot of time. So the fastest way that I think that you can buy Steem dollars or any other cryptocurrency um, is by going through Luno. So Luno is an app where you can buy currently you can buy Ethereum and Bitcoin um, with Naira, as you can see. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, of course, is to get a Luno wallet, right? And you register and upgrade your account and all. Alright, so after fixing that, upgrading your account, to buy um, any other cryptocurrency, you need to first of all buy Ethereum or Bitcoin. So in order to do that, you click more and you click deposit, right? So you use any of this method. You want to use the ATM card, you click the first place, put the amount you want to buy, right? So this is the maximum deposit for now. Alright, so you put the amount you want to buy, click next, sorry, you click next, and then that's the service charge. And you continue, you add for your ATM card details, you fill that in, and once you're done, it will show you go to transactions, you see the detail. Okay, this one I did few minutes ago, 232,000 naira, right? So once you do that, the next stage will be uh to change the naira that you, because what you deposited is naira, to change that to Ethereum or Bitcoin. So if you need Bitcoin, you can click buy Bitcoin. So as you can see, you can buy with Naira or with ETH. Alright, so the same thing for Ethereum. So you can buy Ethereum with Bitcoin or with Naira. So you click Naira, you just click, your balance will be showing right here, and then you click your balance, and then you click next. Very easy, right? So that's it basically. So to send this to as you can see, once you do that, it will show in your transactions that you bought Ethereum with 229 thousand naira. So in order to get this to an exchange, to get Steem or Steem dollars or any other cryptocurrency, you go to that exchange, you click and get your Ethereum address, and then you bring it over here, and then you go to go home, and then send Ethereum or Bitcoin, but this time we're sending Ethereum. So I've already copied the address, it was my clipboard. So you click continue, put the amount of Ethereum. I've already done that, and then you send it, and then to check the transaction history, and there it is. So once you do this, of course, Ethereum takes about 15 seconds plus to get confirmed. So once you do that, you can go to the exchange and then exchange any other cryptocurrency that you want. So basically, guys, that's how to um, buy. That's, to me, that's one of the fastest way to buy cryptocurrency. What are cryptocurrencies with naira?